Whatever connection you think you've found with my son during this tryst is a lie.
Hey, are you all right?
I don't feel so, Should have handled this myself from the beginning.
Where did you get kryptonite?
Our planet is littered with the corpse of yours. I crossed looking for my son. I'm not going to let you get in my way now. Your family awaits you.
No! Wait, I'll go with you.
No, you can't.
Whatever you want, I'll go back to Daxam. I'll be your prince. All of it, just stop hurting her.
I have your word. No tricks, no resistance.
You have my word. I'm sorry, Kara. This is the only way. As long as you're safe.